Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
As soon as you collect your bins, hose it out with extra strength soap and water and let air dry. If you are still struggling with a stinky trash can, splash some vinegar in the bin, add a bucket of hot water and let it sit for an hour before emptying the can and letting air dry.
Let's help you make your mark.
Lastly, deodorize your outdoor trash cans the same way as your kitchen trash cans. To absorb odors, sprinkle some baking soda or cat litter in the bottom of the can, and lay some old newspapers down to absorb mold causing moisture.
Let's help you make your mark.
Trash can cleaning in 5 simple steps. Step 1. Empty the trash can. Before you clean your trash can, it needs to be totally empty. Step 2. Rinse it out. The next step is to rinse your can out with water. Step 3. Spray and deodorize. Step 4. Give it a scrub. Step 5. Rinse and dry.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.